No, absolutely. I think I commend him, but at the same time, I would say this. I think if there are some lessons to be learned, you cannot be in alliance with people who insult the very spirit of Bihar. When DMK people come up with the worst, choicest of slurs towards the Biharis, they call them pani puri walas, toilet cleaners, then Tejasvi should have shown the spine to say that they will not come here and I will not stand along with them. When Rahul Gandhi insulted Chatti Maiya, Tejasvi should have shown the spine and said that I do not stand with it. I think Tejasvi has a lot to think there. You cannot insult Bihar and Bihar's culture. Nikhil just now on your show said, Prime Minister wearing the gamcha. He said it so disdainfully. So, you know, these people look down on our culture. When you look down on Biharis, when you look down on our culture, then don't expect them to vote. And let me tell you this, Pranesh, Biharis are some of the most astute, intelligent people as far as politics is concerned. And we've seen that. They've gone beyond caste. You know, in Bihar, Pranesh, if you ask Narendra Modi's caste, most of the people won't even know his caste. They voted for delivery. And today it is a victory of governance beyond caste. These people have far too long tried to divide us into castes. This is a vindication against that. Vote chori, caste. Nikhil, you should stop that. Tell this to Rahul Gandhi. As for BJP, I'm sure Sanju Verma would want them to continue with this narrative. Because Rahul Gandhi is on 95, Pranesh, 2026 is his year. Because there are 5 elections coming. Assam, Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. There's a very realistic chance that he might just touch that coveted 100 mark. And that will be some achievement.
Yeah, Nikhil.
I need to correct a personal remark that he made. I never said in any disdainful manner that the Prime Minister wearing his gamcha. I said the Prime Minister waving his gamcha. I don't have a problem with the gamcha. In fact, I wanted one, could not get one from Bihar.
That's the problem. You went to, Bihar, you were in Patna, you could not even get yourself a gamcha. Seat kahan se milega aapko? A gamcha is easy to get. You could not manage a gamcha.
I wanted a nice one.